Here we have a 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, just in at Unique Classic Cars. This one came into us just as you see it, from a gentleman relatively local here. He's had the car for quite some time and just kind of decided that it's time for someone else to go out and have some fun with it. So got a very nice finish on it. Not perfect, of course, but very, very nice. I'll show you a couple of little flaws here in a little while. But as you can see, she's got a great look to it. And of course, does have T-tops, which anytime you can go out and have tops off fun is always good. It is powered by its numbers matching 350 V8 engine, and she sounds nice. I'll complete the walk around here for you, and then I'll show you a few other goodies as well. White letter tires really set off good against the white paint on the car. And of course, as you can see, it's got the Chevy Rally wheels on it as well. A lot of people will ask what this keyhole is up here. This would have been for a dealer or a factory alarm system back in the day. I guess I have not tested it to see if it works currently, but that's what that would be for. So, as I mentioned, it is powered by its numbers matching 350 V8 and automatic transmission as well. This is the L48 version of the car. As you can see, if you look down the sides and everything, very straight car. Doesn't appear to have been really messed with too much in its life. So there's a couple of little nicks and things like this in the paint that you're going to find here and there, but again, overall, you know, I know a lot of folks are concerned about the nose cone. You can see there's a touch-up right there. But again, for the fit and finish on the car is very nice. A lot of folks, if you follow these C3s, the fit and finish on the nose cones and things sometimes are left to be desired. This one's very nice and tight, straight, and looking good. So back here we have the T-tops, the T-top bags. There's a removable cup holder that is sitting there. There you have the owner's manual, warranty book, and steering wheel cover. If you choose to put that back on, you sure can. Let's move inside the car. My opinion would be that the interior in this car appears to be original yet. And while it shows its age a little bit, it is still looks pretty good. Of course, it does have tilt steering wheel, power windows. You can see the tachometer. It's got a Jensen AM/FM cassette player in it that, of course, was apparently replaced at some point in its life with the stock one. Here's the L48 tag. And, of course, the storage areas back here. All right. We'll get this fired up for you here quick. Hold on. Okay, as you can hear, the door buzzer works. Check this out. Even the clock is working. Get it started here for you. There it goes, idling nice at about 600 or 700 RPM. Even the fasten seatbelt light is on. We'll step outside, get a look under the hood. Factory AC car as well, and again, as I mentioned earlier, this is the numbers matching 350 V8. It's got power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, and it is idling just perfectly right now. Now you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. We have financing available, extended warranties are available. We accept trade-ins as well. Listen to that, just purrs nicely. Notice a lot of the factory original shielding is still on. You see a lot of Corvettes that gets taken off over the years. This one still has it. Let you listen to it out the back here as well. Again, just idling nicely, very subdued, but I'm sure if you get after it, she'll make a little noise for you as well. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, financing is available and trade-ins are considered as well.